Hello and welcome to the fourth movie on how to use Maya. What I want to do this time is to show you how to create some very basic shapes using Maya. So there are several different ways of doing this, and let's go through them. So one way is to actually go to create. We could say NURBS primitive, then go sphere, click on there like that, and then you can drag in the grid and it makes it like this. Now, in this little area here, this shows us where it's positioned. So at the moment, it's at -7, -2. So if we go to 0 there, and 0 there, that brings it to the centre because we've translated it to the centre of the world. But because I just clicked and dragged, I don't know what size it is. So if I go to make NURBS sphere 1 there, that gives us how big it is. The radius is 3.174. Let's say I want that to be just plain 3. Click that in there and go enter. That's now 3 units across, or 3 units radius, sorry. So you can see 1, 2, 3 there like that, 3 units radius. So that's one way of creating. Another way of doing it, so let me delete that one. So let's just select it, delete that one. You can actually go to click there and then drag on the grid. And this has done the same thing. So create NURBS primitive sphere, or click on the line here. And you can do the same thing just to get the thing back to the correct size that you want. Another way of creating is to go to create NURBS primitives and then just uncheck interactive creation. In fact, let me zoom into that to show you that a little bit closer. Uncheck that, tick there like that, and then let me zoom back out again. So then if you go to that one there, it creates something almost automatically, and it automatically has a radius of 1 and creates it at the very centre of the world, 0, 0, 0, translation there like that. So that's a different way of creating. So that's about it really. So all I say is perhaps have a go at creating some other wacky things. So for example, we've got this one here. Just move it over there like that. Created that one. Created that one. We created a sphere. All of them are basically have. Obviously, this has got an edge there of 1. That one's got a radius of 1. That's going to have a radius of 1. Create a cone shape. Torus shape, there we go, that'll have a radius of 1 as well. So you can create lots of different wacky shapes like that, and also you can change the shape and size of them. You can use these sliders here, look at that, oh, like a big inflatable life raft. That's about it really, so have a go at messing around with that.